This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, leather steering wheel trim, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Wolf Auto Center Sterling is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 520 East Chestnut Street in Sterling.